Mountain pose. Standing tall beneath the sky, breathing slow as clouds drift by. Rooted deep and feeling free, flowing with serenity. Prayer pose. Hands together, heart at peace. Let the noise of life now cease. Gentle focus, calm and bright, guided by an inner light. Raised arms pose. Reach above and touch the air. Open heart without a care. Stretching upward, spirit high, floating softly toward the sky. Forward bend. Fold and soften, let things go. Feel a gentle river flow. Breathing deeply, calm and slow. Let your peaceful spirit grow. Half forward fold. Lengthen gently through the spine. Feel your body realign. Steady breathing, soft and free, moving with tranquility. Plank pose. Strong and steady, hold your ground. Feel your inner power found. Core engaged and spirit bright, shining with determined light. Chaturanga. Lower slowly, smooth and strong, moving gently all along. Balanced breathing, calm control, strength and grace within your soul. Cobra pose. Lift your heart into the sun. Feel new energy begun. Open wide and breathe anew. Peaceful strength is flowing through. Downward dog. Stretch and lengthen, calm and free, flowing like the endless sea. Breathing softly, feeling light. Everything will be all right. Child's pose. Rest your body, rest your mind. Leave your worries far behind. Quiet stillness, calm and deep. A peaceful promise you can keep. Cat pose. Round your back and gently release. Breathing slowly, finding peace. Softly moving with the flow. Let your cow pose. Lift your heart and raise your eyes. Feel your spirit gently rise. Open wide and breathe so free. Flowing. Tabletop pose. Strong foundation, calm and still. Balanced body, focused will. Steady breath and mindful grace. Thread the needle. Twist and reach. Release the strain. Let go gently of all pain. Shoulders soften, tension flies. Puppy pose. Stretching forward, heart so light. Breathing softly, feeling bright. Lengthen gently, calm and slow. Low lunge. Step ahead with strength and grace. Confidence in every place. Open hips and stand up tall. Trust yourself and give your crescent lunge. Reach above into the sky. Lift your spirit, rise up high. Strong and steady, brave and true. Feel the warrior one. Stand with power, bold and bright. Heart awaken, filled with light. Grounded firmly, spirit strong. Moving. Warrior 2. Arms extended, gaze ahead. Leave behind the fear and dread. Strong and balanced, calm and free. Flowing with Reverse Warrior. Reach and open to the sky. Watch your confidence rise high. Stretch and breathe. Embrace the day. Let your worries. Extended side angle pose. Reach and lengthen, side to side. Feel the strength you hold inside. Breathing deeply, calm and free. Flowing. Triangle pose. Open gently, stretch and grow. Feel the peaceful energy flow. Balanced body, focused mind. A deeper sense of half moon pose. Lift and balance, strong and light. Shining softly, calm and bright. Steady breath and graceful way. Tree pose. Rooted firmly like a tree. Standing tall and wild and free. Gentle focus, calm and still. Balanced body, eagle pose. Wrap and hold with mindful grace. Find your center. Find your place. Focused breathing, clear and strong. Chair pose. Sit back slowly, strong and tall. Trust your strength, embrace it all. Breathing deeply, standing true. Feel the power inside you. Standing split. Lift and stretch toward the sky. Watch your confidence rise high. Grace and balance hand in hand. Strong and steady as you stand. Dancer pose. Move with beauty, light and free. Dance with strength and harmony. Open heart and gentle soul. Flowing toward a peaceful goal. Wide leg forward fold. Fold and soften, let it go. Feel a calming river flow. Relax deeply, breathe with ease. Floating gently like the breeze. Garland pose. Grounded deeply, calm and slow. Feel your inner wisdom grow. Breathing softly, centered here. Boat pose. Floating gently, strong and free. Power growing deep in me. Steady balance, core so bright. Guided by my inner light. Bridge pose. Lift the heart and rise above. Open gently into love. Breathing deeply, calm and slow. Feel your energy softly flow. Locust pose. Strong and graceful, lift and rise. Like a bird across the skies. Breathing steady, spirit free. Growing into harmony. Bow pose. Open wide and shine your light. Heart awakened, spirit bright. Stretching gently, bold and true. Finding strength in all you do. Camel pose. Open softly through the chest. Trust the journey, do your best. Breathing deeply, calm and clear. Feel your inner power near. Seated forward bend. Fold in peace and let things go. Feel a gentle river flow. Quiet moments, calm and deep. Treasures of the soul to keep. Bound angle pose. Sit with grace and breathe with ease, moving gently like the breeze. Open softly, calm and slow. Let your peaceful spirit grow. Staff pose. Sitting tall and standing strong. Balanced body all day long. Focused mind and steady breath, welcoming each moment's depth. Easy pose. Quiet stillness, peaceful mind. Leave the noise of life behind. Gentle breathing, calm and free. Resting in serenity. Lotus pose. Sacred silence fills the air. Peace and wisdom everywhere. Heart and spirit unified. In this moment I reside. Fire log pose. Open gently, soft and slow. Feel your inner balance grow. Breathing deeply, calm and free. Rest cow face pose. Stretch and soften. Breathe with grace. Finding peace in this still space. Gentle movement, heart so light. Fish pose. Lift your heart towards the sky. Let your spirit gently fly. Open wide and breathe anew. Feel the peaceful energy through. Shoulder stand. Strong and steady. Calm and tall. Trust yourself and give your all. Balanced breathing. Clear and bright. Plow pose. Stretching softly. Calm and deep. Promises of peace to keep. Gentle breathing. Quiet flow. Let your inner wisdom grow. Happy baby pose. Smile and soften. Free your soul. Finding joy that makes you whole. Breathing lightly. Feeling bright. Wrapped in comfort. Supine twist. Twist and release. Let tension go. Move with grace and steady flow. Calm and peaceful. Soft and free. Legs up the wall. Lift and rest. Release the day. Let your worries drift away. Quiet breathing. Gentle ease. Floating on a peaceful breeze. Meditation pose. Close your eyes and journey deep. Awaken dreams your soul can keep. Stillness whispers, calm and true. Savasana. Rest completely, body light. Wrapped in calm and healing light. Breathing softly, ending slow.